So in this video, we're going to have a look at the change router function in JWEI's JWCAM. So first of all, I'm going to open up JWCAM. I'm going to go down to this non-functions here in the operations window and click on change router. So in here, you'll see that we have a lot of information. Now, the first thing we're going to have a look at is this test section at the bottom right. So Tool Magazine cover is going to open the cover of the automatic tool changer. Tool Magazine seat is then going to lift the seat so we can access the router bits that are in the automatic tool changer. Then got router clamp, which is going to open up our collet on the router. We've got location, which will bring the router to the seat position, so the automatic tool changer position. And then we've got clean, which will bring the router head to the clean position on the automatic tool changer. Up here we then have our moving button, so we can move our head around, we can fine tune, and we can also lift our tools up and down. Now, most of the section of this screen is not actually used by the end user. So this section here, with all these values in, this is your setup for your automatic tool changer. So this is all the position values for each seat of the automatic tool changer. We then have the controllers here, so that when we're adjusting those values, we can actually control where the head goes. So again, you don't really need to use these controls here. The controls that you will be using a lot is this current router number. That is the current position that the router bit in the actual router at the moment is using. So at the moment, the router bit is from position 6. Then if I wanted to change it to position 1, what I could do is I can actually use the change router button. So this is not going to physically change my router, but what it is going to do is it's now going to say, actually, that bit that's in there needs to now go back into position 1 and not position 6. But I want that to go in position 6 because, as we know, position 6, 7 and 8 have the collars on and not the JWEI brass collars. Now, if I actually wanted to change it, change the router bit to position 1 or to the router bit that is in position 1, I'd go all the way to the end and go to auto change router. So that one will then complete the automatic tool change process and change the router bit over for me, and then it will update this number to number 1. So that's a bit of an overview of our change router menu in JWEI's JWCAM.